Hello again, everybody. This is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 10 after 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, May 6th, and after a really nice fight here at the 116 mark, good little double bottom got put in even, and a higher swing low. This was looking like the beginning of a cup and handle and a good consolidation, and then lo and behold, we created actually a lower swing high after that, and we failed south right back into 116. Doubles hold, triples break often. One little bit more of a test that broke and became resistance, and that's what we're looking at right now, with 116 being almost exactly resistance at these levels. So move right down to 115.28 is where we had looked before. We drew in some pretty good support from that based on a higher time frame. You know, this support back in here at the 115 mark, we did hit that almost to the penny before bouncing just recently. And at least so our numbers are holding up. Just the market's kind of giving it up a little bit. And if you look at a higher time frame on this daily chart, again, that's nothing to sneeze at. That's worth noting, of course. That's a pretty good pullback from the 122 mark all the way back to 116. So we are fighting this area again still. Weekly chart, again, doesn't look dramatically poor, and not, again, all that problematic in a lot of ways. We'll see what the volume print looks like by tomorrow afternoon. And let's take a look intraday again at what the tick and the trend and the VIX and all these guys are doing. The market internals, the trend has been almost above 0.8 and even 1.2 for most of the day, except in the morning. A little bit of an interesting move here as that cup and handle formed. Could have gotten some people into a long position that they got stopped out of, but a really significant move up on the trend Q, even past 2.0. So very bearish today. Be very careful again how you're going long into the face of that with a rising VIX. Hitting a double top here. At least we have that working out as well. On a higher time frame than him, you can see this is the beginning of a really nice ascending triangle through here. Higher lows, relatively equal highs, and even on a higher time frame, the daily, you can see where we're running into this swing high back in here. So a little bit of resistance, aka support for the broad markets. If we go blasting through that, next logical stop, we're back into the 30s, and that could be again telling for the market and the fear it's feeling right now with this overseas action. So again, watch the trend Q and the VIX, how they're corroborating this move here, even though we're getting a bit of a move up now off this higher swing low. And again, I'm trying to be a little cup and handle in here, but good resistance on the way back up now still exists at the 116.50 mark. I'm going to fix that line if I can move it. Yep, that's a much better line with that swing high, and 117 mark. So again, be careful how you go long into the face of all this. Trade well, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. I look forward to D7's video at the close.